It's important to cleanse your crystals regularly. There are many ways to do this. The most well-known method is using water, but be careful. Not all crystals can handle water well. Crystals like selenite, celestite, and calcite are especially sensitive. If you choose to cleanse with water, it's best to use mineral water. Simply place the crystals in a bowl and let them soak for a few hours. If you see bubbles forming on the crystals, refresh the water and continue until most of the bubbles disappear. For crystal jewelry, gently rinse the stones and use a clean cloth to dry the metal parts. Another popular method is using incense, white sage, or palo santo. Pass the crystal through the smoke until you intuitively feel it has been fully cleansed. Avoid using this method if you have asthma or small children around, as the smoke can be irritating. You can also bury your crystals in the earth. Use a flower pot to avoid losing them. After a week, take the crystal out and dispose of the soil. Don't use it in your garden as it may hold negative energy. If you have singing bowls, they are a beautiful tool for cleansing. Do not place crystals inside the bowl, as this may damage both. Instead, place the crystals on a soft cloth nearby and allow the sound vibrations to cleanse them. This method works very quickly. If the bowl sounds off, it may indicate that the crystals need deeper cleansing. Keep using the bowl until the tone becomes clear again. Some use the fire element for cleansing, but I do not recommend this. Many crystals can be damaged by direct flame. For example, amber is a fossilized resin and can melt. Sunlight and moonlight are also powerful tools. Be careful with sunlight. Avoid exposing crystals in blue, pink, purple, or green hues, as they may fade or crack in high temperatures. If you want to use sunlight, limit it to 1 hour in the early morning and preferably cover the crystals with a cloth. Moonlight, especially during the full moon, is a gentler and safer option. You can also cleanse your crystals using pure intention. Hold the crystal in your hands. Some people like to place it on their heart chakra. Visualize a golden white light or violet flame purifying the crystal from the inside out. Trust your intuition and stop only when it feels complete. If you're a healer, you can give your crystals Reiki, angelic energy, or any other form of universal energy. In truth, everyone can connect to Source. All it takes is intention and unconditional love. I don't recommend using salt. While traditional, it's a harsh method. Salt crystals can lodge into the natural lines of a stone and cause long-term damage. If you've tried several cleansing methods and the crystal still doesn't feel right, it might be time to return it to Mother Earth. If you have a deep connection with it, you can also place it on an altar or somewhere in your garden where it can rest peacefully and continue to radiate its quiet presence.